What is up, Shimon Nation? It's your boy Shimon here. Today's video, just wanted to talk about some things real quick, or more specifically, things that I'm going to get in the next couple of weeks. Now, because I'm gonna be getting these couple of things, or hopefully be getting these couple of things, hopefully they will change up the channel and make the channel better than it is. Couple things. One thing that I might be getting a new camera, and I don't know why I keep getting new cameras, because either, one, the battery doesn't work, or I do stupid stuff to it that makes the cameras go bad. I don't even know. Like, I don't know. But yeah, so possibly another camera. What else? Maybe, possibly be getting a thing for an unboxing video. Maybe there will be an unboxing video that I could show all of you guys. And for me, it might not be amazing to you guys, but for me, it will be. But let's just say it's gonna be an exciting and unthrilling unboxing video. Hopefully, if everything goes according to my plan, that will be coming in the next couple of weeks. Along with the camera as well. But for the time being, I have been using the camera that is on here, and also phone camera as well, because my current battery, or the current camera that I was using before, kinda took a crap. So I've been using the camera here and also on this cellular device, which we call a phone. Because of the camera issue, that's all pretty much I could use for camera usage at this point. So hopefully a new camera will be coming, and also a special unboxing video for you guys, cause I don't think, as I recall, I haven't done an unboxing video ever on my channel, so that should be pretty fun. Hopefully, if everything goes according to plan, it'll probably happen after I get back from my trip. Just the way things are gonna be working out. I'm gonna be coming back from my trip, and then I'm gonna be going straight, or not straight, but a couple of days after, to this place that I'm going to get the special thing, and they're gonna box it for me and everything, or I will do it myself, just for sake of the video. So yeah. What else? I might be getting a new mic for the setup. I'm gonna probably get another camera that's over there, for the gaming setup, and also a new mic as well, for over here, because the mic's okay over here, but it's not as good. So possibly camera with a mic built in over there, and then over here, getting a new mic for over here with my setup. And then obviously the new camera, instead of using this cellular device called a phone and the camera that is over here. And I know I usually go through cameras like hotcakes just because I either like lose it, and I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why I lose my cameras, but I do apparently, or I either leave it in my pants or whatever, and I'm really bad. I don't know why, but yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That is it. Hope you are new. If you are new to the channel and you want to subscribe, go to hit the subscribe button and turn that bell so you never miss an upload. And yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget, you are a beautiful, absolutely one of a kind. Always get that big smile on your face. Never take it off. Always turn on those notifications so you never miss a new video. See you guys next time. Stay positive. You're awesome. Bye guys. PC. But before I forget, if you are new to the channel and you want to subscribe, go to hit that subscribe button. Also turn that bell so you never miss an upload. Also down below is a description that has all of my social media. That contains my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Xbox Live account. If you have an Xbox and you want to go add your boy on there, that'll be down in the description below. Also with my social media will be down in the description below, so go hit my social media up if you haven't already. And also down below is a comment section. Go down there, leave a comment, and let me know if you guys have any video ideas. That would help. That would not only help me, you know, make the videos that you guys like, and also, like I said before, it also helps me get a clear mindset of what you guys like and what you guys don't like and that sort of thing. So yeah, and also hit that thumbs up button as hard as you possibly can, baby. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Josh, 2 sweet babies. Peace out. Peace. See you tomorrow.